going on, guys? It's Dan from DK Tuning here, and behind me we have this lovely Abarth 595 Competizione or something like that. Anyway, it sounds pretty Italian and pretty unique. But this little beast is one of the funnest cars that we have ever tuned. Keep watching to find out why.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor.
Come da porca picchita va bene, si tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da bene in cave di I love you. Papa l'americano.
This crazy little Abarth 1.4 is absolutely insane. The torque it's got now we've tuned it is absolutely ridiculous. As you can hear as well, the car sounds like a complete and utter beast. Induction noises as well from that Forge Motorsport induction kit, as you can hear it. So the power that we've got now in this is absolutely crazy compared to stock. So about 160 horsepower stock, we've ended up with just shy of 200 horsepower with like a really strong stage 1 plus map on it. We think the customer's going to be really happy and impressed with this. So as you can hear, the pop and bang map is working extremely well. But great little car. We've not driven many of these, especially taking it with these modifications. So we're very lucky to have this car in and do the work that we have done around it, including the Forge induction kit. We've put a Forge recirculation valve on there, which you can also hear. Sounds great. We've also put a Supersprint decat downpipe on, which we've had to custom fabricate to make fit to the stock catback. What else we put on? Obviously, then we put on our ECU custom software, and like I say, we've ended up with 200 horsepower, and the car feels absolutely brilliant. And I just love all the sounds that are coming from this car. And I'm sorry if it's a bit shaky at the minute, but what we love about this car is just the sort of amount of low down torque it's got now. The turbo seems to spool in really fast. You get instant sort of power, whereas before it was a bit laggy. We're really impressed with the car and how it sounds. We didn't expect it to sound this amazing. So yeah, so we're really happy with how that's gone, guys, and we hope that you've enjoyed this little short video around an Abarth 595. So if you have liked it, guys, please remember to obviously like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you ever so much for watching this short little video around this crazy little Abarth 595.